Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. This is Jubaida Nahar and my ID is 224080001. Today I am going to talk about natural language processing. So let's start. First of all, what is natural language processing? So NLP or natural language processing is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows computers to work with human language. In simple words, it helps machines understand what we say or write and respond in a useful way. We can see NLP in many everyday applications such as ChatGPT, Google Translate, voice assistance, and sentiment analysis. Okay, so now why do we need NLP? The main reason we need NLP is that humans naturally communicate using languages such as English and Bangla, while computers traditionally work with structured data and programming languages. NLP acts as a bridge between humans and computers. It allows computers to analyze a huge amount of text or speech much faster than a person can. Okay, so next is how does NLP work? Okay, so NLP generally works in several steps. First, we provide text or speech as input. Then the data is cleaned and prepared. The system analyzes words, sentences, meanings, and relationships between words. Machine learning or deep learning models learns patterns from large datasets. Finally, the system products an output such as an answer, translations, classifications, or newly generated text. So now some of our common NLP text. Okay, so there are many important NLP texts. Text classification can identify whether an email is spam. Sentiment analysis determines whether a review is positive, negative, or neutral. And machine learning converts one language into another. Speech recognition converts spoken words into text. NLP is also used in chatbots, question answering systems, and automatic text summarizations. Okay, so now real life applications of NLP. So NLP is already a part of our daily life. Chatbots and virtual assistants use NLP to understand our questions. Search engines analyze our queries to find relevant information. Companies use sentiment analysis to understand customer opinions. NLP can also support healthcare, education, translation, and document analysis. So its applications are very broad. So now let's discuss about the advantages, challenges, and conclusions. So first of all, advantages. NLP has several advantages. It can process huge amounts of language data quickly, automate repetitive tasks, and make human-computer interaction more natural. However, NLP also has challenges. Human language can be ambiguous and different accents, dialects, cultural meanings, and sarcasm can be difficult for computers to understand. To conclude, NLP is an important area of artificial intelligence that helps machines understand and generate human language. Uh, that's all for now. Thanks for staying with me. Khuda Hafiz.